Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write an adoption letter. This type of letter is a formal document used to express your sincere desire to adopt a child. You should begin your adoption letter by including your personal details, such as your name, address, email, phone number, and the date. Next, address the letter to the appropriate adoption agency or recipient, specifying their name and address. Use a clear and professional subject line, such as adoption application letter, to indicate the purpose of your letter. Finally, start with a polite salutation, addressing the recipient by name if possible. After that, write, "We are writing to express our sincere desire to adopt a child and provide a loving, stable, and nurturing home. As a family, we value kindness, education, and strong moral principles, and we are eager to share our lives with a child who will be cherished and supported in every possible way. With a safe and welcoming home environment, we are committed to ensuring their emotional, physical, and educational well-being. We have thoughtfully prepared for this life-changing journey and understand the responsibilities that come with adoption. Our family and community are fully supportive, and we are financially and emotionally prepared to offer a child a secure and happy upbringing. We would be honored to take the next steps in the adoption process and appreciate your consideration of our application. Please let us know if you require any additional information. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample adoption letter. You'll notice how it clearly expresses your sincere desire to adopt, provides relevant details about your ability to provide a loving and stable home, and maintains a heartfelt yet professional tone throughout. The letter highlights your commitment to the child's well-being, your preparedness for the adoption process, and your willingness to provide any additional information required. By following this format step by step, you can create a compelling and well-structured adoption letter that effectively communicates your intent. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing professional documents.